Our mission at OICR, our vision, is solving cancer together. And that word together really encompasses what OICR is all about. The Institute prides itself on being a facilitator, bringing together groups to solve larger problems in cancer that cannot be solved by any one single group. So all our programs are all geared to work together with outside stakeholders and scientists and clinicians to drive these larger multidisciplinary problems, to really solve the realer, bigger problems in cancer that can actually make a difference.
When OICR was established, it was decided to form a drug discovery program and build a drug discovery program to try and close that gap that existed between basic research and translational research, especially when PIs in the community identified exciting oncology targets. They needed a framework in which they could advance these assets to a point where there'll be a receptor. And we all appreciate the fact that a company isn't gonna be as excited about an asset if it's just at that target stage. So we needed a mechanism to de-risk these targets, especially the novel ones. And that's where the space we wanna be in, which is first in class, best in class potentially. So because we're in that space, we're able to help them move their projects and again, transition from basic to translational research.
So a lot of this basic biology that comes to us from the community is not always in a form for drug discovery. And so this is where the industrial expertise of our group comes in, where we utilize that fundamental biology and then we develop viable assays that we can use to screen a lot of compounds to select the best ones to advance forward towards preclinical development.
Our team has evolved over the years, and we started out being primarily a medicinal chemistry group. We are now a fully integrated drug discovery platform where we have in vitro biology, cell-based biology, pharmacokinetics, and of course we have the chemistry too, and bench chemistry as well as the computational chemistry. And so, we like to sort of think of ourselves as a miniature biotech. We bring, I think, that missing piece to a community which has been underserved in that regard.
I think it's part of the vision of OICR to have created a drug discovery group within a community of academic cancer researchers, which was really important, not only for my own work, but I think for the community. And what OICR does is really potentiate that transition from discovery to changing cancer therapy in the future.
One thing that's unique about the drug discovery team is they bring together a diverse array of unique expertises that come together, and all of them are required for advancing a drug into the clinic. If it was not for the drug development team, we would not have been able to advance our project. Our discovery would have stayed as a lab discovery and would not have found its way into patients. So that has been made possible by the collaboration with the drug discovery team.
Why is our model unique and attractive to pharma? Because it couples basically the expertise of the PIs with the industry experience within our team. Our data is usually meets industry rigor. Our programs are set up as you would typically set them up in an industry setting. And so whether it is assays or in vivo studies, etc. So that all of that data package that you are sharing with the pharma partners is really what they are looking for. And that is what makes us really unique.
So OICR Drug Discovery and Facet have a really strong relationship that makes it unique because of the way we work together. It's really, really special where you can have an academic group and a commercially oriented group work really early so that we can identify the right pathways. And that determines or is more likely to position an asset for success, because we can respond to the development challenges as well as the typical commercial challenges. And the uniqueness also arises from the fact that you are leveraging and combining OICR's vast network and industry-oriented and trained expertise with Facet's strong commercial expertise and the capital it has.
Our drug discovery work and our drug discovery group is very critical to Ontario. We now have a strong industry-savvy group of people using the right tools, amassing the right knowledge to really develop a drug discovery program in cancer that can attract industry investment, pharma collaborations, that can actually drive tremendous economic benefit for Ontario, as well as, of course, downstream benefits for our patients.